Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a presentation on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that we need to search for the Adobe Express. As you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to click on this option, which is called presentation, and it's a new option. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, all the versions and all the templates of the presentations are provided here. You have to select that which template you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. The total 12 slides are in this presentation, so I have clicked on this, and after clicking on this, it will be inserted here in the main board. So as you can see, now it's inserted here. You have to select the slide, that which slide you want to use. For example, 12 slides are here. Now as you can see, all the options are provided. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. You have to double click on the text, and after double clicking on the text, as you can see, all the controls will be opened here, like the font style, font size, format, and all the things: text layout, color, opacity, text effect, shadow, shapes. All the options are provided here. If you want to change them, you can also do that. And some other options are provided here, like the theme and background color. If you want to make changes in these options, you can also do that. And all the templates are also provided. If you see, I'm going to click on this option, which is called this template. I've clicked on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, if you want to change the image, you can also do that. As you can see, all the options related to replace option is here. If you want to change the image, you have to click on the replace option. So in this way, you can create a presentation on Adobe Express. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.